In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a select dropdown in Figma using frames, text, and simple prototype interactions. Start by creating a frame that will act as your dropdown button. Add text such as select an option and place a small arrow icon on the right side to indicate it's a dropdown. Next, duplicate this frame. The first frame will be the closed state, while the duplicated frame will be the open state. In the open state frame, create a container below the button and add your drop-down options using text layers. You can add spacing or dividers between each option to keep the list organized and easy to read. Once your drop-down design is ready, switch to the Prototype tab. Select the arrow icon or drop-down button in the closed state and drag the prototype connection to the open state frame. Set the interaction to on tap and choose Navigate to as the action. Apply Smart Animate with an ease in transition and set the duration to around 300 milliseconds for a smooth drop-down effect. After that, click Present to preview your prototype and test the drop-down interaction. You can adjust the spacing, animation, or styling until it looks the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a select dropdown in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.